The first thing I dem why say if na me, if na me, na be Okpamen, Prince Okpamen, that is first son so. Now say my mama go to blow. Now say no say na me. As Mama Sharon dey woman 50 cent day. As that woman popular for Radio Miller. Nobody no know that if you just choose that train station of Radio Miller, just ask say before you even come outside the train station, come outside, wait for the enter bus there. Just ask for more 50 cents. Any black you just see. Gambia, Ghana, Senegal, Nigeria, just ask for more 50 cents. They go direct to your house straight. Nobody will know the woman. If na person like me, and me go get that kind of mama for abroad here. You do. Oh, as my mother give me documents, I go tell her, mommy, make you relax. Now me go take over the shop now. I go to balance you. Me, I go to balance you. The way I go to pimp that bar, The way I go to pimp that bar. We go come get branch. We go come get branch. Each way mu wearing, no go makwo, no go makbeya. The two of them were just different human beings entirely. The two of them, at least the mother supposed to be resting by now. I'm hungry, young, continue business here. He's here, bang, someone. A day ago, na mommy take €100. Then here, if I had a war, I was supposed to you. If you got me €100, I have to, Mama, me take €100, me take €200. A bill will appear. Waiting day. Waiting day this life. Very simple, very simple thing to do. As a family, we say that they cooperate, they ties together. Oh, even here, warrior kwekwe. Even when was solitary, his steady things. When we go even, I will let them say, "Come on, you mama play." Yes, somewhere. I even you go uncle. You will give your man peace. You will give her rest of mind. People go to see you, go to jealous of your man. Because you're doing a business you will boost them. Who boosted business you when? Oh yeah, again, said what you done the Roma. But have a guy get my for this your shop, Africa shop of it. And this Africa guy. If you look this our city, so club no deal. When they come up for years, they go Sharon and they go club. Then man, you get the last sense of this business when they do so. They find everything. I go take beer, you go take beer. Who you go to open club. You understand? Since you don't really get the certificate, because all these things they get certificate, they go to school. They'll get certificate, you get proof because vigilante, they all don't have vigilante, they call them Guada finance, they must come control. If they can't control you, the system at no level, now probably they'll close that shop. So since you get those things, if you open bar, you understand? If you open bar, if you run now, you they run this one, me they run that one, or you they run that one, me they run this side. You say, nah, truth, nah, good idea. I said, okay, this is your shop now, I stand down, expand down, maybe. When I give an order, the guy had to go in his side because the guy get this so big, it can spread down. Can't go so there are things people so now me I get back to inside shop, make space for day. People go feel they sit down, they stay relaxed, they drink beer. Everything I brain, you got come, your man carry you come, he give you kata. The boy where they said everyone was passing. Sharon even good though. A Sharon man set up the wrong, not the wrong work. Only work keke. Only work kono. A baby mama there, or what I jam in the governor. Yes, I don't want to post him, give baby mama the gem. People get prison, but what be a gem? No, what a gem. You know, say that kind of woman that good. Okay, when I ballet, everybody else is good up ballet, or post it give, or what be a gem. Why the same boy go they play love, go they spend money, they go get away for Lagos or Nigeria? My deliver. I do my drink.
Business from Nakiele, we want to a store no kwanya is in a go look at the store.
What I will say?
And when you here play the store, and there are 7 and it was served. Because as
a rock one yana no beer with one or you know you move here. O salon who are mom no any berry. Ye we bona. No, some of you are to that's my prayer for you guys because why? Most emonamu de degi, emoniye mure they are worse. Ime nyokba na wona ma ije momuere ije nyomuere on a mabo. I never see. I want to know about zero yedu. Emoniye mu are those DHS children. Imagine you know if you bow one on my way. Now many we don't see. Some feed we never see you and they talk of the way I don't see. Now nonsense. Now nyama. Their mother is always frustrated. My first relationship for this Italy. 3 children that the woman gets. 2 boys, 1 girl. I was a caretaker of one of the last one. I was the caretaker of the last one. If you ask me, I will say, now the girl, now I stand for the mama. If you ask me, I will say, now the girl, now I stand for the mother. The rest, ewe. Oh, when my wagwana, oh, only Jesus said. Oh, when my wagwana, she still soft. I don't run away for her. From Verona to Forja. Don't you look at her, like you tell me the bachelor house, all those bachelor house. No, he have here arresting this somebody that was well known in Verona, popular. And I could not know the container no be more free of charge. Or could continue to be your Moriwa. Today, he's looking for a way to put her head. Or me her. But no one around you Benjamin or Holland. They are scatter. Nobody, none of the children. No certain Mujinya you are. There's a woman that had the family. No way you born a tenant. We ran already with Bonati car. Both Germany, Italy, name it. UK. I car. Today you do. Because the prayer you guys should be praying, no matter when you are BS. No matter the situation, we never leave you down. We never let you down. We will always be with you. No matter the situation. Whether work okay, it's your okay, it's your work okay, you will still know where easy na him. What talk by you no I agree to man. What? Dame away. Imwene. Yeah, very much. On risk we can.
West Lebanon. And the Zimbabwe patient will be a Omoruyi.
Akabo.
First of all, we can't remember when who work in Monica. Wawese.
Wese mo.
Osalo cannot do wa.
Isel.
No, where you Wawese. Ina we want to come tell us no be okpele. Waya Wese waya mubiane. Ije Sharon.
Wese.
Sharon. Omo no ni ma. Ijo pa bi o ma ya bi o.
Akabo.
Ima Sharon, efime egeye. Eve viere no Sharon ni omo no mo se. Even is omo ko na gbondere ima ya bore. Okay, dave kakabo. Ina we leme ana we kame iye Sharon no la o. Ina ti mi amiano edu wi ofono. Be no kori on soto. No ha mosaloba no ri eti mu wegbe ne no ya ko ke e money apon won sawe Sharon bi oyewe bi eyo uto o saloba ba we oga mi eti mu wegbe no ya gba owe money
so
e pen no owe omoga woma odo ma so po sisi we ne do ya zo
akabo
Omanu woman so boburu eno me mai su do mai be no balon chi o balon no huano amai wo mo no su seji no ho na do vi su se do vi la we no do vi mo la we bo emi anana do su no iwa shevi afefe iwa ge na mi boy age but e pen ya ro mo ri no but Owa be mi no gbuna no ma wana mudi ake waya wa wese. Ogbe aboko ya no mudi ani ye Sharon na waya wese. So waya gbina ni. Usalubua. Epe no huae no gumana. Izzy Omoruyi. Idame part 1, part 2, part 3, part 9 no dene na no here. Idame Okpamen monicalobolobo. Ofu okpa ha be bani we oho no yo be no ise me no ya zo e bani ise ade di ela wa Izzy na we gba o uje na kwefu ayo wa be go da bie Izzy ale mana ha ma wo mai bi o mai ho mai be no je ije mo ya no bie le be bo na mo no wane ni aja sene Izzy Omoruyi no epe ni je mo ya mi ewu ogwa me wa mo no wan 23 years man that believe ihe pe no ro ni ya de no ma wo wa be kin aga so ihe aga uwe ni esibo aga ha wa ukoko mo na se bet we ni general won ja no ewu wa obi me 23 years uki hari ne ina no ya re he no ya mo wa o ma mo wa fi le he kwa ime ka mu we na ukie ha imuna no wina odo ina me ba ma mi e ogwani 1300 ori emi iji yen la agwo na agwo a iri o jagbene re he gege o ma sunu ebe no hona mi ogwa oro gwa na o asti go gwa o le dai o to gwa je o belu ni go no asavi go gwa ani mami we ti hu efua beto we gbobo ene beto hu ona iye Sharon Sharon na abi yo kije o ma we gbe no boy arun opado ladi ado aka ma we iye gebe ni wo ime ihu mo yo gwa do hu oba we rio Izzy Omoruyi wa mi o be gbe o enije ti ni egwa lo iya ahini se ba so ba gan niya ahine no balo no romo de Izzy ije kiye carpet ni no yo gberi lo o ma ya zin gbo ni ise mo ya zin gbo shani
exactly
isu sele lo mo ni ege ni ado ye ari ogogo mo omo ido ka ma be ni ye continue you get 50 years in na Neri anana ido yiri akun omo yiyeke iga lebe ai no mo amapi omo ni amakoko be veri o amakoko be ne Sharon tamia mi no je wewu emi no tamia wa maya ne je de matano Sharon na lepu gwa ba de ke ni jomo na we ni temo pa mawe o ine we ni ya na ro dogo si ya owo akin e ajogwa ego me ka mo bi jama ona ri ori onya amoyi moto na mo ajogwa wo sunu ina gun na gbe obi jama ona famo ime gege la wa e were gbe try mi ni omo awo ni uri epo e no bi e wo wo sunu enu wa na ku obi o ma juwo wa for how many months Izzy yes egbe no bi Omoruyi wa bi iya bi je ya tissue iya tissue oba ya tissue ji TikTok eni na uni oko ebo dawo o mi o le gbe na tate o gbe ya kan ayine ge no bi Omoruyi my brother I'm really pain
where's he call
why they pay because emo we cannot damn omo no se ni abie no o da me kakabo ija o ne gbe me
no wala it's okay also no wala
wa wesi
all right ciao
when some man on my baba
and the truth you understand so gba Izzy no gbo ebe bia no so gbo no pembe ilu eru ni menanu we Osalobo no go ebie. Kevin no stop no mana me ko no mana bie by now. Osalobo no ya change no bie owe. Then you will not know. Ege ase you what do jere enu we uda Sharon. We uda Sharon na. O we ya ona ya nyegbu ni ro ni o ga react yo. You want we henari sin ya ni want ye. Don't worry. Oh, back. You book out that way.
I failed to that bit. Or extending out to Arokme Hospital. A Sharon Okpamen of boosted business in there. I went on we go there. Be there to help your mom. It's only the mom that is to be responsible for her, right? She's not supposed to be responsible for her mom. No. Because one stupid Izzy not changing battery is going to tell the mother to bring the mother's head so she can drink it.
Would that life now? Baba. Oh, so I love about that. I come out with another who. Where may be mono. Where may be mono. Eri men of be memako kime. Ime waja gumada you. Ogumada ni vejo tibe le ogumada ni o mekino isi na le. Ina le ogumada ni. Ina like streets. You understand me now? When you ogumada no here treat you a bad. Why you like you may rather go back to the same ogumada. We go here. Are you wearing? I am money. I say you wearing, where I am always sick of Babalo egbe. I am boagbe. E ma kino fi me egbe ma ku gbe no. E ma ku gbe. No, e ma ya yi mara. Mi bulu ngome ogien. Anu gome wa yi no ko ni mo agu ogun oja. E best lo usi no usi. My eva ha go ogun oja my eva. 2 boys. Me no me bo agbusi usi me ye mi agbusi nu we o me kona wo. Mami na agbusi usi na do gien. When usi da gien to no na biscuit bone. God. Agie me no usi ni gien usi na u gien no usi ni gien na aya no gbe me yo. I mo try life na. O si life na wo kan yi. Fu e ba o. O si egbe ni ye fi odion we ne. Ye kedo ye were. You understand? Usi gien you see no gain. A guava no got company. That company is full of trees. A guava no got company ya bolo boa. But ya it's a game even me. Ya we. When you be still on still. You bounce back to that. Okay, no. For me to be my guy, I have to move on with my life. Not like streets. If you have a friend, you be enough to not rent over. That's my life, that's my hustle. But behold, we lie with after all these things. A zone of Warano, a zone of was only back me. A family mighty boy, come was stubborn. Carry the name Wadi, me near home now. Me what I didn't wear yada. I may go to her. May I very good. But last, you know, not to lie with. Do you know you lie with Bune? Oh, you do not phone with them. Oh, no, all those quarrels, bass bows, no matter all those angers I was having against him. The day they didn't me lie with me calling me when he's there with you. He traditional number I call it, party number. Or is it neru? Awo uni ya noro me me ya fe ti wa me man. Me ke be call every me phone call every me gbese like 1 week ni me webu. O ni me dey me divorce ni oga me you call your partner. Call your no. You don't do call your partner. Call your. Or is it going okay? Give me the number. E no be me block, e no be delete the number in family. Now you be me no call it down. Vini na me ya hon. Ye ka hon o. He was expecting to hear from me. Immediately came with me no. Frankly, now for a yellow you. 20 euro recharge card in the 4 year room. A room full. A moga. A hano. A room full. You know what he said? He said, I let all the angers in my heart go. What did I have to do? I have to focus on my father's house. Because he will go. a culture baron no level, a dusty, a red canoba. Asame, imaya, I'll be my with palo, a canoba. A feeling, I'm a plus, I'm a concreter. No ceiling. Off it often in the Nisanyama, off it on the Nisanyama war. But I put it on menok be out in a way monthly Peru. Allowance, no, monthly allowance in a Kenya. I have to start giving him money every month alongside preparing the house, no money do one, no one, no one making now a deal okay about. I give him over here we go. Menok. Am I able to just imagine say when you are open but you man. Mammy, I can we how you get for the menu. Mammy, even ask stroke, and we how you didn't rag we how you get for the menu. And when I'm your money, you why you go, we go zero to zero no muyamu, dear we bo. Or my value. You go see the insult your mama. Umay the value on your Sharon the man. Okay, no be the message. Okay, no, but no guy, man. You go hold your man at this moment, you go club. We are you club this way. And when you tell me for what again, wait, you put that who get enjoy, who get the benefit of having a good child. Any greater than you push your labor room with all this. Now, there you know, 30 years, man, I want to go. It means one name or one me. I go give them. I want to go there. Monthly, and not care about. I want to go give. Oh, we call them. Tell me. You ain't doing in the other. You give all the kind of all the kind was a niru foe. Because where is Samuel to Zene as a son? A more ya do the guy. Food doesn't. Football fit. They don't want to have a bench. Era me biele. That he took me out with I was that is I want to be okay. Now Walimera, Ijua is not the only person who whether good or bad. Yeah, not now do what I'm my guy, man will agree that by you. It's not a guy the person no matter how wicked, how stubborn. When I'm moving in no matter what. You're supposed to get that respect for your mama. Why do you want somebody you were to say? Now today now, why not dinner? I already pay. Is you what? Is you already pay? Why even why? Is this kind situation? Or cannot get a Sunday warning to many women, many girls or many boys out there? They want to work while you get Sharon Okpamen and learn. Don't only watch the video. Learn the lesson in this issue. If you know, say you know they assist your mama. This one a bad drink. Go meet your mother. Go kneel down, beg her. Hold on, anybody cry for your ear. Go and meet your mother. Go and assist your mother. Iye won so men. Iye won. Okono guys. No ru wi. I watch a video. Obi ba ije na me. Oya anu e gije wi poke na me. O ana ye video wi yin na wi ti ai. Opono wi ye di me na oye mu ba gije. Upo kiri na me. That's the feelings of a mother, of a good child. Man, we were balancing for you. You were set. You in the track. Back. Wow, this is very, very wrong. Sharon Okpamen, you say busy now. No, we never respect you. You all were busy Omoruyi. Is your no matter what. The man you know who that bomb your Izzy. Go and learn how to respect your mother, because very soon by the special grace of God, you will also become a mother. Aga biomo, omongi bioma. Isi mwa oye momo. Lu bien ijue. No mweje. It is very, very important. That should be your next target. Unaga kuno enegbe. If you don't have to nya uni joni. O kyan pa moji. A biomo pate oyayire. Untana. A biomo pata oyayire. Dans la way, et Sharon Okpamen bien, on m'a fait faux. Au phone, et puis si caille. Au phone. Ça va, you quitte de la zone, il y a bien Sharon. On avait bien envie. Et Sharon avait barré à quoi? Sharon avait si va y auto. Et oui, il y a double blessing. Everything a double. My sister, I said, I got him mock you. Moi, il y avait qui a. Oh, oui, non, bien mon dos. Ah, mais mon nom est non, mais il y a. Quelque chose de soin de nous. Ah, quel mon nom est non, mais j'ai. Nemera. Jesus Christ, me yemera. So you can do better. Well, we are not going to see you. Well, call you. Oh, you know, wow. I want to wow. Our money is the most important thing. If you are think about it, maybe you are not going to you. Give the mother a bigger joy. So nobody will go working. If you are job, you can born for. Yeah, we no better every weekend. Every weekend only have been. You have a year. Today na you be 5 already. I will not no go run. Pastor, you money ya with the church. Only na you go, you know, you go. At least not be run or be every week. Every week by 40 years is born. On no return, on no return. Let's say when you march down. Walking a hand over here, I'm going to Latin. So, my dear, you sense. I can't go. You don't need it. Easy, you don't need it. All this nyama, all this noise. Hey, Izzy Omoruyi. You don't need it. Go in, don't go be on the low key. Let me talk to you. If your mother could not talk to you, let me talk to you as a sister. When I nonsense, when nuisance is getting out of hand. What do you mean by a friend? A friend, and you are not your friend up and down. We care no vibes. No when you no babe no man quick be. No aga de egboye maladian. Mama, we be every weekend. Every weekend. Yeah.
Even Sharon Okpamen. Even Sharon Okpamen. The mother was still, you know, looking at Izzy like, okay, she's supposed to be the person at the next point of call. I'll see if I can take a decision about Izzy. This was an ample opportunity for you to have cleaned your name again, for you to have settled with this one. And whatever that you were getting a behavior no say ya be and guilty conscience all worry is your phone. Is Sharon. Sharon that was not your business. Your business was let's come and disgrace the mom. That kind of thing I hate time for my life. Let's come and disgrace the mom. Let's come and disgrace the mom. Everybody see the more Sharon. Everybody they Sharon, but what happened? What you doing? That was not your focus. Your focus was your focus was not the good way rubbish Sharon. Not the time I don't any Sharon. Yahoo Sharon, you worry. I'm a very sweet mom, and I'm a very street mom. Sweet and street. Don't misbehave in my house and think because your mom. Don't try it. If we work for our woman, don't try it. A Sharon's even I am with you, or maybe I am taking responsibilities of the aftermath of one night back you. Who not back you without condom? Women in Osuluwa. Then they bury you like that. Who women is one of a manager life event, not a 1 night to 5 event, or 8 to 4 men, who we must do responsible.
Hello? 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 Alpha? All right. Thank you. Thank you, Shu. What is that?
Kind of help Sharon wanted. She was not financially born. Yeah, Sharon couldn't face herself.
Of course.
Oh, yeah, squander even in Nigeria. Oh, when I say, when engineer Moore, engineer.
Oh yeah, let's play.
You know that? The man Sharon there. Yeah, you know. Izzy. You're not even listening to a video where present and analyze. But because you are a narcissistic, inside of you guys only think about you. You don't think about surrendering. You don't think about the person you want to go and fight with. You will only think about the weapon you have. Izzy, did you listen to the presenter? Should I play it for you here? You posted it. You didn't listen. Did you listen? Giaka bere Sharon. Giaka bere Sharon. Yeah, where a Sharon life you don't give a F because your plan did not work. How you planned it did not work. Is it why you not debunk me telling the whole world that you remove yourself from group WhatsApp? Why didn't you debunk that and say, Monica, you are a liar? Eh? Is it why did you not debunk that? How the whole errand people is silent because of your order? Why did you not say I'm a liar? Is it not you? You know the only thing.
Oh, I thought idea. The way ring ya see every time. Even if you want to listen, go see the account we are pinned down here. Now the account that you want to support Sharon. Now be that one. Now my Sharon account be the one Nigeria account. I beg, if you know say you love me and you never support this account, I beg me not support the account. I just got beg now. Why they beg when I support the account? I go tell you now. Me, I stand to support Sharon. Carry and go out, go bury. Now the reason why I come out, and that's my aim, that's my own part of contribution to Sharon's. Not be to support the children, no. Make I clarify now today. You can hear me. My reason of bringing account out is to carry Sharon go house, go bury, basta. Now know why? I be father. I get picky for Nigeria. The same way Sharon leave picky for abroad. I get picky for Nigeria and I don't get picky for here. I carry responsibility to take care of here. I not go take responsibility of another children for abroad when the father they fuck on that bola for house. I don't do that. I'm not stupid. You feel me? So I will only take responsibility of a child who is fatherless, motherless. You feel me? So I'm not gonna get these things all clear. I'm not gonna be a father, have a child in Nigeria. I got the fourth beast for the one with the abroad. I'm not the crazy. You know, make barrel. You understand me now? My brain correct. You don't feel me so? I'm not stupid. All I stand for is for take Sharon back to Bongo to go bury. So that when the children grow up, they will definitely go visit their mother. You understand? Even without the father even contributing, the children here will be okay. Because government could take charge. They're going to take care of them. No talk of say you will get papa. So on why? Now where they support. I not say make not support. The last way I beg everybody for. I use God beg una. Make una support Sharon. Movement of taking her home in peace. Was a friendly friend. Or say no, you shall grow you go with you a page no matter na me one last how many years. Was here wagia kyokyo. Wagia suo. No we obiedo. No mind be. Obiedo na dojoma. Wagia kyokyo. Iyo so wa yin wa. Wala ho. Was supported account na ya mo Sharon. Na ya mo ari edo na ya ari yukulapa. Bo e no bayi. Ne Sharon really see we because I better ye we bona. That's the end of Sharon and the children. Iyan we be lawa. E money we be lado. Diyan ya go le do vision they go nowhere. Be wala ho. When the money gujian no wana. Oga igiotu gare money. Isiyan ga Miami. Obe sege yin de tikesi. Owo yin riwa. Wala ho. You saw boy me wa. Was support account now. Why have a million? Be the money have ya nwa he. Be ni have ya kin ka ki loko he. But we sege. Be you saw boy. You saw boy me wa. Wala wo. E Facebook is Sharon. O make be kan ya nwa se be kan so be ya control Facebook origin. I want you by sin ya wo jin atono. They can continue from there. Or say na ni na yin ku. A Facebook is Sharon. While I watch a family Okpamen que não se que não rame wa wesi wa ya wa ato ivi ni ro wa ke ni risi yan ya yo gba yo we nu wa la vian do gun ewogun nu wa ha mewo even wa o ni vie wo nu wa ha mewo we nu wa ha we ne gbe Sharon ni mama ke na le boy wa yike unda we rame yike gaki we aguto na we wa observe mo menwe no ne buti mo mozo ikoyo you understand yes ina no magia gbe ati gareba ilatian do sinyo sege ni Sharon yi de geni ya yu boli je kan media he e ma Sharon de Facebook na nyanga na ile liyan ewe but after that you don't get where allow where you low weary ne I want to use my platform to support Sharon whether good or bad ahia yini asas of bien Sharon is abo. This is one thing they might understand. You know, it's a small girl. Who tell you a small girl? Why you talking a small girl? Person we don't get 2 children. When I Sharon, I have zokag belong here Sharon. Book ba me here zokag belong here Sharon. I have kagbe. I have nek be you know agbe bi la agbe ni bi agbe. Na ya zokag be. Na ya we mi ne Sharon. You understand? Awe na uneru ikpe mo pala sa na kweko eki akpolo kan ma awona igbu no manya whether he big or small asas obiene ta o yin ta gbe wo ya bie kene ayan gbe ya bie kene zero na we gbe oga agbe na we bere say with this no they will do it whether good or bad emu anwon ya kemani continue vision me bu ba ye gie Mokpa o fian ogugwe mokpa kan na hia je ti yijemere me pichi jeme ga agwe ni ebi kan na wona me kian kodo bi pichi yeme ma o mokpa fian ogugwe ya gie e last boy yime o ga anwe enwe bi jime wu ama ya yeme that tell you how little we are there me resa ko school ne Mokpa na fian ogugwe mokpa na me na wona ogugwe ko ado smart up to na ya kwa agba orin de at even at there even na wuni ta we gba a si won agbeku ati ma here la je ni mo do gbe e ma ye twin ati ma here la je ni mo do gbe obi oyimi lojo la do gbe egbe la do wo egbe azo kagbe ni ma kagbe na waze di me ni 1247 kagbe yi me no ya bere yebe Iyon. When you get to a time, can't be here after my mama. I got the man level. A bar magaye. Mareba be. What's when I get Iguamo. Iguamo be yekovia. After you say Ogbese. And before Ogbese. I saw Ogbese. Iguamo magaye magad madeku be bar. Pardon mo ka wa tok ona give o give ona gie ko ona gie ona ngbenwe enwe wa tok pesa domo sa wa tok pesa owe mai do ne ne pa ni ya wa de okay owe ma wa do tun agun o ku ori we wa ne pa ku pa we forget ku vi je mo pa ma ya kin ma ya de okay owe vi ya ma e wa la ro 0 na wa 0 problem mama na mi de te ba you know say oku ya no wan say mo na live am for them they use am na re obo ndo agun asin yo wa chawa ti re ba ko ni nya alu e so ni ametu no wa o kan me eti ya sin ye o you understand a Sharon is not unusable ta wa we na une normally and a Sharon are yo wa e Sharon na me giodu o na rest well at a young age I are better able ya gnion in ya kumbulu kepo yin yawe how do you expect her to feel when I'm one wanna be one if you enter here as one of young gear you know you as is I don't buy drink oh see ina yin wa nu wa la ho wu nu wa support account now Anything 1,000 is something, 2,000 is something. Man, they 1,000 your banana, my 300 or 700 or 600. Man, even on. I make 10,000, man, even on. I'm not going to say, I'm not going to 50,000 yo. Man, 1 million on him. In your book, I won't me, on a woman. Oh, bonus, bonus before young one. You understand? If your boy is a me, as I have a portal. Then when I be a pot of one, Zevi, you bonaya have more been at me. As I have we're on the portal. Now you can, I'm actually off. My tea will be your body name. Is Sharon. Oh, there is no way, oh, no, say no, oh, when I am at is my lads and want to will allow while I was a pot of Savannah. I am a Mario. Oh, you know where you are a guest taking her home. What is your plan against Sharon's death? Izzy Omoruyi, what is your plan against Sharon's death? What do you want to do with Sharon's dead body? Tell the world, let them hear. That's my question to you. When a day after what is your plan? The plan of Mena. Era no above each bueno. Oviera no above each bueno. You get Sharon. Una zole go. Not blame you. He blame what you not you know we are Prince Okpamen. Yes now. Blame what you not you. And walk back at me after. We here for 1 year. I'm not going to Prince Okpamen. Only one word I will stand in your front and tell you that word. 1 year over here. No, Mota. Mo gwe pastor gwan. Ona yi police go la here. Iba wa mu da ina gwe gwan. Ona rowa. Ina gwe gwan. Hold them, hold that boy, ina le. Ona yi police go la here. On the arrest them. I go arrest work. Mommy wa. Don't move. On the ground. You know, what happened? Oh, well, where's it? I go la Mommy, I don't move. Me, saga. Me say kiwa ne. Idu we kiwa. Me du we kiwa. We come. Kiwa market. Police na re wa ya mura me wa. Station. Ah, ha me anti pastor de. Pastor ni yan. Ominyo wa mu wa me se wa do. Otomunde obi omi so yin to hide for peace to the yan you the good arrest you know owo wo yin wo na buyan ade no come here we evening service where you call look at the way you gather people here now as if you are really a genuine man of God. You are the agent of Satan. Not any bad man not basi ai. Ana wo yan mu ai yan ga gugu lewe ko as fellowship. You not miss. All the one that arrested me. Police don't know where. Is that the reason why you go and arrest this man? God. I don't know if you want. What that man I belly that I don't give me whatever I go. You know your belly. Only one word you have to know. And back and one. This man got. This man got a shoe where. My vie Sharon relate inside family. Oh God. Over lucky boy. That's my girl relate with be. Me, if you give me. One of the factors here. You for not even try. That's what we my relate. Go try. Bro, where try? Who get try? Where try? You know go see China. You supposed know. I been also was one here. Oh, you young boy. Walking with Yamunya and you are walking with Yamusha Yamuni and you were and you get open. Then you know when this believe with the get on grass. If it is on a yard, you will be doing no soon 100 with Nick Benwa. It's a video with Nick Benwa. We make the Kevin who went on there. Oh God. Make it take a cave myself, eh? It take a magazine, a cave no. Carry na provoke. Carry you is a one. You is a woman on Wagina. You know, it can be a cost casino one. Wow, we a big man back one giant person you're going, you ain't say, but you also you ladies. Agboya tell you say, you know, Kevin. Now what again? Now see, you know, you have video. Now you know, we cut it one of you. Kevin, but now I hear one year, ona okmona you like hangana pack okmona log there luggage. Kevin, what's in your work by one now? What now? What boya man respecting here? Boya get when you get the problem one now in a park. Oh, get sick man over there. Man, where I park well, okay. No problem. No problem. You're very free. Kevin, view more pack money back. I would like now when my there. Now that PS5 is young, I'm PS. The PS young, no, you're doing here. Kevin, you wait. Oh, you're disconnected PS. And then Kevin, why have a PS? My television is like my grand. No mukba. We know. Ah, and you have from what of no necessity. Come on, they will pay PS. Okay, no problem. Oh, well, I can wait, but what's your motto? But don't you know I'm motivation? Wow, motivation. Yeah, that is time to motivate. Well, we are here. Why, Mamma? But my papa, where were you? My mother did well. Why did what possible? We were here with the young Sam. We are back. And now, you be a woman. Oh, you moto. You moto here, a scooter here. You can be my video now. If we have but different. You can be like, on a veranda bar. On a muscular, on a look that boy, on a moon hungry scooter. Monicalobolobo. That's it. Ikba, where are you? We are back. We won't get back. We are here. Ah, but we are here. Okay. Ikba, we are here. Oh, you again, when I hear it again. Mas, woman, you're not even money. Yeah, that we are do. Sister Macbow, we are here. A boy carry out. Oh, you be. My dog will not snow. What my lay, my again. I get on him, my boy. Or you get in bow yiki or bow without. Who put me that one on? Or my daddy man. Or my daddy one. I'm not to wear with me device. If you scooter be at you. Brother, Mike, when no, we are missing. We are missing. So, you know, you bar, but the door my bring you a more ink bar. Yes, sir. We are hearing anything now. Or when we, yea, or you la over. You know, no sense, you know, or stop a can go walk back, but they can only woody. Nay, see, I will can't worry. See, yes, so, Kevin, Mina, two, una with no, on I cavano, or one again, or where Cavano, you don't know, on a year Cavano, you know, eh? So much you will wear, I will know on a year Cavano, you walk balance. You walk balance. And so, I will know. On a year, I did you can hear you. Do apologize. On I do it where come my go, come I am winning. On a beg, or can hear it. Am I who an agri bar? Seriously, I just pray so look back, not bow ye Sharon. In all this one, where you are not fefe, all ye Sharon, I will man of the guy. There will near Jenny, Rejuemila. She will not know the kind of people surrounding her. Do you know, say my guy did Rejuemila? I see my guy did my name, my guy talk. Now, alpha. Oh, you know what we're now, okay. What name is Sharon? Anybody know what I'm going I live from my 50 cent house. Now I go pass it. Go see us. Pass it. You go see us. Pass it. You go see us. On a video here. Or if the whole house is locked. In our row way or row Sharon. Easier popular se Sharon Woody. Easier Sharon or popular se Sharon. Who no sooner Adia Sharon. The city. So my sister Izzy Yeah, I just love buying me. You are a sister, you are a friend. They don't try, man. With Manawa do. Zeni Manawa do need to advise you now. That woman, my sister. I hear with the poison. You are a beautiful woman. Try as much as possible. Mao Yevekia. Hello? Hello? Good evening, ma. I did that video. What people? Tajora. I greet you. That's a great man of wisdom. Men of wisdom. Men of wisdom. Men of wisdom. I greet you with better style. I the good, I need for your voice. So you laugh. If you like you want bless me. No wahala. Have fun now. I been they call you yesterday, Sha. Get what I be saying. You go help me. That is as you know pick now. Just call FRO. FRO don't go help me run now. Don't worry, Shall soon day with you very soon. If I come, we'll talk. Maybe I will. If I get chance this evening or tomorrow, I feel call this committee. We get to talk. I greet you now, man. You be. What's up? All right, my lovely people, I greet you all with better style. What right there? Easy no say man. What talk man? Now you no get yeah can why you make more because I go down where over here worry over here that. What's in that go na seven look away as over here do. My can my me I go as over here do as my sister being sister. My sister. But then we don't remember woman not go on kagbe. You understand? You go about get the trader or down my sister. Abbas in hearing. If might not tell you this, not to hurt you. Israel might not tell you this, not to hurt you. Your closest associate might not tell you this, not to hurt you. But me, Omozuo, I want to tell you this. You understand? It might hurt you, but pick the sense out of it. You understand? Oh, Mama AC Kitchen, water. Thank you very much. You understand? Pick the sense out of it. You see, walk back, you understand? Which me and you know. Okay, by now, your age by now. No will be here. At least I may have me famine. Ni jouer. Don't have anything no really arrow. You understand? A big way do ye. A big head do ye. Oh, Adam, it's a young film away. If you don't say you can make an Adam, you'll make an ice cream away. A big head do ye. What did he have here? All of you in here. Aya soton. No we boy ya wu. Okun ifo ha. Easy, look here. Listen very careful. Zebu pon we ye now because me ma pon we you. Because the kind of position where you put yourself. You understand? Udere again don't lie, you know this. Susa F. She's not a mother. No swan see one other. She is not a mother. Easy, my brother. Precious Obaseki. Easy, my brother. Easy is the only child the mother has. The brother you are talking about now is the mother's brother. Nije mu ade obu no yes kutalema. O bi je wa biola yaleko. The one Easy call his junior brother. You understand? Easy junior, but your boy. You understand what I'm saying? That's a secret. Fine. But without, no matter what, Easy. Ukbo no. No gwalo utere boy. No ya gwalo tere. No gwalo tenegwe. You have a doctor here. If there's anything else wrong with your reproductive system, you can work on it. There's no problem without no solution for especially there abroad. You understand? So if you are sound, you are okay. My dear, look for somebody who will put away body woto. I'm gonna out there of your own. Bele yo, ya gbe your way. No guavio. Umaka weti koko we. Akemi mu bi akina yeti koko mo be you dey young na you dey sign. Bien mu no gba owe. No making no re. It's very important. Me my seven and you make encourage me where you got my kono koni sia. You my kono koni sia na we hon sa no. E ga le kondo. David you me ya encourage me ni me ready because you want to be. Let me because me na viele na. O viele me ga ni me na ati mo dafi kwedo ya. Aga ati me. Me na wa gwo wo he wore. David you me ya encourage me. Di me gidi agwo wo video. Di me gidi agwo wo video ni. Manga. If you am their life go na the ko na le moto humba la ko. Eniyan ya rovin. Ina ko system ma brain ni. Because whether good or bad, I'm pregnant. Every shake up your liver or go abort. Then what happen when I'm pregnant? You instantly you go lose 10 kg. You go lose 10 kg. You go lean. Then if woman tell you say she's pregnant, when the pregnancy begin marry like boo. Somebody want bring on that person come life. Want bring but you will look like what kind of spiritual thing. Fear the day. So all men they deal with raincoat. Manati raincoat. Don't wear raincoat. Raincoat magati kondoi. Manati raincoat man CD. Bro Safa you get CD. You go pharmacy the process and buy CD. So what is CD? On buy CD now, but not get CD. That can I believe you don't get CD. Oga guy wanna code on go lord you. CD magati my gbunu we condom. CD. You understand? My sister, try as much as possible work on that aspect. You see this one they sit down like a yagbe. This one people attacking lies. Uriya glass jawe na go bomb. When glass jawe we na go bomb. Head mistress. This one people are saying lies. People are feeding with lies. Use that time to look for mommy you born. I know they mock you, auntie. Use that time, look for your problem, and you solve it. So that you'll be fertile. You understand? I know they come for us. My sister, come on for us. Go clubbing. And stop staying inside her like a boa. Your man boy, you may become a okiyokba. Go out there. If man don't look for you, look for man. May you born. Izzy Omoruyi. Cause this place gonna give easy. If man don't look for you, look for man. Have a child. It's better you have a child of wedlock than have nothing. People begin to mock at you. Yeah, go and let go beer as in the hot. So why you keep the loss? No, who have just say well, so all that your friend that you miss, he all because we gonna be firing down. If you get boyfriend, now invite him. If you don't get, look for one. Go lodge with boy for us. Go boy house, go the cook. Learn character. Ya when I ask take up behind and live and up behind. You be here. Easy be here. Easy me good, I'm not orphan. Money who you wanna. No control who what. Tell my way how for the doing. Yeah, I are not have be given. Any problem they not given him because he doesn't learn all these things from home. Man, I ask time as a man take responsibility, face any challenges that come your way. As a man, that's what makes you a real man. Easy, go out there and look for man. That I mean, where a problem, doctor will give you the solution. Either you go for IVF or you go for surrogate to get your own child. What are you working for? You go here, deal. My advice for you be the one. No, without insults. I'm not mocking you. But the news up and down, the lies up and down, oh, hey, my be a woman, if you lap to block, if you bag that wedding car, if you beluka, you wa, you don't go how you wear, if you at the end of the day, Okono kabene, idiot tie a womb, no one say money beer. Stories about of the gods, no gawe. But I'm not here to tell you that. You have to change the narrative. Change the narrative. Do it yourself. You're in abroad, man. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Yo, on the story. I'm gonna leave you guys now. I will see you guys later. Bye bye for now.